If your company stores files in a Google Drive, a Dropbox, a OneDrive, or a SharePoint, you might be wondering, do we actually need a digital asset management system? Or is cloud storage enough? This is one of the most common questions amongst marketing teams, brand managers, and growing organizations ask when they're trying to organize their digital assets. In this video, we're going to break down the difference between cloud storage and digital asset management, where each solution excels, and how to know when it's time to upgrade. Let's get into it. What is cloud storage? Cloud storage is primarily designed for storing and sharing files. Examples include Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Box. These platforms do a great job at helping teams store files, sync files, share files, collaborate on documents, and access content remotely. For many organizations, cloud storage is the first step to organizing your digital content. And for really small teams, it might be all you need. But as content grows, new problems will appear. So what is a digital asset management system? A digital asset management system, also known as a DAM, is built specifically to help you manage your brand and marketing assets. A DAM doesn't just store files. It helps teams organize assets, search assets, control asset usages, track versions, manage permissions, maintain brand consistency, and distribute approved content. Think of cloud storage as a digital file cabinet. Think of a DAM as a complete library system with cataloging, search, governance, and distribution built into it. That's the major difference. Difference number one is finding files. Let's start with search. In cloud storage, finding files often depends on folder structures, file names, user memory. Someone has to remember where the file was stored. A DAM takes a completely different approach. Assets can be organized with metadata, categories, tags, AI-generated keywords, and brand classifications. Instead of hunting through folders, users can search naturally. For example, summer campaign video, approved logo, product launch presentation. The system surfaces relevant assets immediately. This becomes incredibly valuable when you have thousands of assets. Difference number two is brand governance. Cloud storage platforms were not built to manage brands. A DAM was. Imagine your company updates its logo. How do you ensure that everyone stops using the old one? How do agencies know which assets are approved? How do regional offices access the latest material? A DAM creates a single source of truth. Employees know which assets are approved and current. That reduces mistakes and protects brand consistency. Difference number three is version control. Cloud storage systems honestly just end up looking like a bunch of files with mixed up names put together. We've all seen it. A DAM provides a structured version control. Teams can track revisions, view asset history, restore older versions, or identify current approved assets. Everyone knows which version should be used. Difference number four, permissions and access. Cloud storage usually offers folder-level permissions, and that's useful. But larger organizations need more control. For example, a sales team may need download access. An agency might need upload access. Executives might need to have visibility into everything. And regional teams might need access to just local assets. A DAM is designed for these workflows and often provides a more granular control. Difference number five, asset distribution. One of the biggest challenges for marketing teams is distribution. Without a DAM, usually the requests sound like this. Can you send me the latest logo? Where's the approved product photo? Do you have that presentation from last quarter? A DAM reduces these requests dramatically. Users can self-serve. They can search, they can find, and download approved assets themselves. And that saves time for everyone involved. When is it that you know that you need a DAM? DAM becomes valuable when your content library is growing rapidly. Multiple teams need access. You work with agencies. Brand consistency matters. Employees struggle to find files. Asset requests take up significant amount of time. Or you manage multiple brands or regions. At that point, the cost of disorganization becomes greater than the cost of a dam. Here's the easiest way to remember the difference. Cloud storage helps you store files. A dam helps you manage a brand and your assets. Storage focuses on where your files live. Asset management focuses on how your team finds those files. Use, govern, distribute those files. That's the real distinction. Cloud storage and digital asset management are both very valuable tools. The question isn't which one is better. The question is which one is right for your organization right now today. If you're managing thousands of assets, multiple brands, agencies, departments, or global teams, a dam can dramatically improve efficiency, consistency, and productivity. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. What is your team currently using to organize your digital assets? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.